In today's video, I will be showing you how I make this absolutely gorgeous chicken stir fry with vegetables. Very easy, and I know for sure you're going to love it. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. So these are the vegetables I'll be using for this recipe. I have some chopped onions, carrots, and peppers. So if you don't have the fresh chilies, you can use the pepper flakes, okay? I also have some chopped green and red bell peppers. Now, you don't have to use the same vegetables I'm using here, okay? You can use whatever you prefer. Onto the key ingredients, I've got some chicken thigh, okay, which I find it very juicy, but feel free to use your chicken breast, okay? So for the seasonings, I will be using some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, adobo seasoning. To that is salt and white pepper. I'll also add in some cornstarch, okay? We'll go ahead to add in a little bit of oil and give it a really good mix. So this is totally optional. I forgot to add in pepper, so I'm going in with some chili powder. We'll then mix it again. Once I'm done, we'll cover it and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. Or you can also do longer than that. The longer, the better. Okay? The next thing is to mix some sauce for the stir fry, and for that we'll be using some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some sesame oil. We'll also add in some light soy sauce and some honey, okay? We'll mix everything together and then set it aside for later. So I've got some heated pan here on medium heat. We'll go in with some oil. I'm using olive oil, okay? But feel free to use any oil you have. And once the oil is heated up, we'll go in with my seasoning chicken. In the meantime, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to my channel if you are new here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video to join this amazing family. And thank you for subscribing. So after 3 minutes, we'll go ahead to flip it over so that the other side can also cook. So once I'm done frying the chicken, I think this took about 6 to 8 minutes to fry, okay? We'll begin by transferring it into a bowl. To the same pan, we'll go ahead to add in some minced garlic and ginger. We'll fry this for about 2 minutes. Please keep an eye on it, okay? So that it doesn't burn. And then go in with my chopped chilies. So with the chilies, you can either use your pepper flakes or powdered pepper. That is totally up to you, okay? We'll go ahead to fry it for 2 minutes. Then we'll add in my carrots and onion. We'll also stir fry it for 3 minutes, but before that, we'll add in a little water so that the carrots can soften it up a bit. After stir frying our carrots and onions, we'll add in our bell peppers, okay? We'll also stir fry it for another 3 minutes on high heat. Next, we'll go in with my fried chicken and give it a really good mix. So guys, after combining it thoroughly, we'll go in with the sauce. So what I'm going to do next is to rinse the bowl with a little water, then pour it back in, okay? If you don't like sauce in your stir fry, you can totally omit this one. We'll combine everything thoroughly again and let it simmer for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, our chicken stir-fry vegetables is ready and we are ready to enjoy. You can see from the excitement, it was so good. And guys, this stir-fry is so versatile. You can enjoy with your rice, potatoes, noodles, whatever you want to enjoy it with, okay? It is so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.